Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally Samsung have started rolling out One UI 7 beta program in India. And in this video, let's talk how you guys can enroll into One UI 7.0 beta program for your Samsung S24 series. So guys, actually we previously made a video on sideloading One UI 7.0. First we'll talk about those users who haven't sideloaded the file of One UI 7.0. Then secondly, we'll talk about the users who have sideloaded One UI 7.0. Currently you need to do few things, and after that with future updates, you'll start receiving OTA of One UI 7.0. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Samsung S24. On this device, I've already sideloaded the One UI 7.0 of different region. So now I haven't got any kind of OTA update in the about section. So here if I go to about section, tapping on software update, you can see there is no OTA update. But if you are the one who haven't sideloaded the One UI 7.0, you can just go to members application. Make sure you have logged in here with your Samsung account, and here you can see a banner of One UI beta program. Tap on it and tap here which says join now. Once you tap on this, it will give you an option towards the bottom side which will say enroll. I've already enrolled, that's the reason I'm saying withdrawal now. So for the normal users, just go to the Samsung member application, apply for the beta program, and you are good to go. If you go to the about section and check for the OTA update, you should receive an OTA update. Now moving on to the people who have sideloaded One UI 7.0, including me. So here what you need to do is, first you need to change the CSC code. If I go to software information, here you can see it says INS, and on INS I'm not getting the OTA update, so I have to change the region, because here in India beta 1 is actually the beta 2 of other regions. If you don't change the CSC, you won't receive the beta 2 update. So in that case, what you have to do is just go to the software information section, tap on the build number 7 times until it says you are a developer now. After that, go back, go to developer options, make sure you have connected your device to PC, and from here you need to enable USB debugging. On my device it's already enabled. After that, on PC you need a software called SAM firmware tool. It's a exe file, you can find the link in the description below. Just install this application and you should be able to change the CSC using this tool. So once you have opened the tool, tap on MTP, and from here tap on change CSC. Once done, you will see a pop-up asking you to change the CSC. And guys, remember this is only for Indian users. So from here you need to first change the CSC code to EUX, which is Europe, and then tap on change. But before that, make sure you have enrolled from the Samsung member application in the beta program. I've already enrolled, which you can see here. It will take a minute or so, and later on your device will reboot with the change CSC code. Now once your device boots up, just go to the settings, about phone, software information, and now you can see CSC code has been changed to EUX. So guys, once you change the CSC, just wait for some time, you should receive an OTA update. Here you can see on my device, which is an Indian unit of S24, I have already received an update. If I scroll down, you can see One UI 7.0. It's an incremental update over the beta 1, and the update size is 900 MB. The version is ZXL5. Now we'll complete the installation process, and again we'll change the CSC code to INS so that in future you'll get all the OTA updates whatever Samsung releases for Indian region. Do not change the CSC without updating your device to beta 2. So now you can see the update have completed. I'll just tap on install and our device will boot into system. After that, we'll change the CSC code. So there we go, our device has successfully booted into One UI 7.0 beta 2. So after your device boots up, connect your device again to PC, and on PC use the same tool, which is SAM firmware tool, and from here again go to MTP and tap on change CSC. So I'll again show you guys the CSC code currently available on my device. You can see here it says EUX. Now again, let's get back the INS code, and after that we'll start to receive OTA update. So let's change the CSC and wait for the process to complete. You'll again see a pop-up, tap on this drop down and select INS. Here we have the INS, selecting it, cross check before confirming change. Once done, tap on change and wait for the process to complete. So now our device has been successfully booted up again after changing the CSC to INS. Let me show you the INS code. Going to about section, software information, and if I scroll down here you can see we have INS. And now whatever updates we'll be receiving of One UI 7.0, those will be received via OTA update. You just have to go to the software update section and check for the OTA update whenever it's released. So guys, we have shown both the methods, one for the users who are first time going for the beta program, and the second method we explained, that was for the people who had sideloaded other region One UI 7.0. I hope the process is quite easy and you guys will like the video. So as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.